if you're new here, I'm trying to learn C++ completely from ChatGPT. Right now, I just finished creating a linguist class and working on some improvements to really practice my pointers. But I'm kind of sick of pointers, and I feel like there's a lot more stuff to learn about C++. So I'm gonna ask ChatGPT what I should learn next. Okay, our next topic is exception handling. In C++, exceptions are a way to signal that an error or exceptional condition has occurred. They are typically used to handle runtime errors that cannot be predicted at compile time. So you can always throw exception, and you can try catch with a certain type. So in this case, I could basically say throw an error that I can divide by 0. That way, instead of like continuing to program and possibly crashing like that, I can basically catch it already. And then you can catch this error by later throwing it, and then you can just get it. So that's pretty interesting. I don't really understand what this custom exception is really, and what it's different from this part. So just practice the basic exception handling. Write a function that reads an integer, throws an exception and the input is invalid. Okay, and this is the solution, but I don't really want to see the solution. So I'm gonna reference this syntax for now. Hopefully I should be able to get this, but I'll probably fail, you know. I have to get rid of all this code. No! Okay, let's do this. Okay, the first thing I need to do is create a function that reads an integer. I don't really understand this part really, because how could the input possibly be invalid for it to just read an integer? Because normally the compiler will force you to enter an integer. So let me look at the assignment description again. Maybe I could do something that would make sense. Like, oh, maybe you have to put in a positive integer. Okay. And how about we call this function square root? Which makes sense because like you can only square root a positive number. What kind of runtime error maybe? Wait, let's look at the syntax again. And yeah, I totally screwed up the syntax, by the way. We don't talk about that. And I guess we'll just try to approximate the square root just for fun, because why not? Okay, now we can try to use my square root function. So to try, and let's just do square root. And then now we have to just catch. And then I don't remember what it's called. SCD runtime error. That would make sense because you just do a runtime error. This should hopefully work, but it's probably not because C++ doesn't like me. Oh, and let's also make this log out. It looks like it's working. Well, I don't think the square root part is working correctly. Wait, actually I'm not curious why I'm getting such a random number. That might just be an insanely large number because it never broke. Okay, yeah, that is not working out correctly. Huh? Okay, I'm just confused. Okay, somehow integer a that got passed in was this insanely large number, even though I put in 16. What the heck? Okay, I'm just gonna ask, why is this not working? Why is this getting me some weird number? I know that's a pretty vague prompt, but hopefully we'll be able to pick it up. I don't think that'll fix the problem. I didn't really read what I was doing wrong, but for some reason I was reading A in a really weird manner. What? Where did my logic go wrong? That's weird. Okay, whatever. I'm too sick of doing this. It is actually really hot right now for some reason, even though I'm recording this video late. It's driving me crazy, so I'm thinking I'm gonna end it today. Anyways, if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. Hope you subscribe, like always. Bye bye.